welcome to my channel. So today's video is a review of my latest bag purchase, the Fendi Baguette. But before we get into that, let me introduce myself. I'm Tamika, and here on my channel I cover topics on fashion, luxe for less, and the occasional lifestyle content. So if that sounds like topics you would enjoy, consider hitting that subscribe button down below along with that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I am extra excited about today's video because it is in partnership with the jewelry brand Luisa. They are a sustainable fine jewelry brand based out of New York, and I absolutely love their pieces. All of their pieces are made from 100% recycled gold and silver, which makes it ethical. And the best part for me is the price point. With pieces starting in at around $39, there's something on the site for everyone, and their styles are amazing. They kindly gifted me the 3 pieces that I'm wearing today, and we're going to get into the first piece, which are these huggy earrings that I adore so much. They are 14 karat gold plated with sterling silver and cubic zirconia, and they are the perfect little piece for everyday wear. They can also be dressed up because they're so small and dainty, but I just love this piece. Like, I can wear with everything, and I can just throw my hair back and it gives just that little extra oomph you need for any outfit. So then we have this necklace, which is so cute. It caught my eye as soon as I was perusing the website. So it is in the shape of a safety pin, and again 14 karat gold plated, and it is like the perfect little addition to any layering stack. If you know me, you know I love dainty pieces, so although they do have statement pieces on the website, my eyes always just go to the more understated pieces. So this definitely had to be mine. And it has about 3 different adjustments, and I think the longest measures in about 16 inches, but just the perfect little necklace. Then we have this chain link bracelet, which is so freaking cute, y'all. Like, it is like a watch band without the watch, and I've been looking for something like this, but I couldn't find anything that was reasonably priced. And this is like, it's perfect. It's weighty. It has the little, it gives you the edge that you need for your outfit without being too much. The sizing is perfect. It does come with additional links just in case you have to add or maybe even take away links. They do come with extra links. And it has the Ana Luisa logo on the fastener. The fastener is very secure. And I believe this one is gold, 14 karat gold plated over stainless steel. But amazing pieces overall throughout the entire website, and you should definitely check them out because they are having a summer sale where you can get 20% off site-wide. And I'm going to leave that link below in my bio. I'm going to leave that link below in my description box for you guys to check that out and just peruse the website and pick out some things. And when you do, make sure you come back and let me know what you got. Let's get into this bag. So it is the Fendi Baguette, of course, in the black leather with the embossed Fendi logos. And excuse me, I did get this in the size medium, and I really wasn't on the Fendi bandwagon when it was super trendy, and it really wasn't on my radar, but I ended up really liking it, and I'm glad I did because it ended up being one of my best bag purchases so far. And I did get this for my birthday a couple of months ago, and I did buy it pre-loved. I got it from a trusted fellow Instagrammer who also loves luxury, and she had 2. She had the one in the Zucca print, and she really wasn't wearing this one, so she decided to sell it. And I'm glad she did because not only did I get it at a great price, but like I said, it's really become one of my best bag purchases. The bag comes in a ton of different prints and colors, the most popular being the Zucca canvas print, but it does come in a ton of other colors, and I'll put some up here on the screen. It does come in 3 main sizes, which is the mini, the large, and the medium that I have here. And I would say that this is comparable in size to a Chanel medium flat bag. It's 100% lambskin leather, and it is cotton lined with a inside zipper pocket. You probably can't see that, but I'll add close-ups. And the pocket is pretty deep. It has gold hardware with 2 detachable straps. So you have the shoulder strap, and then you also have the top handle strap that you can wear, and they both are detachable. It has the embossed, kind of like a 3D printed FF embossed logos throughout the bag, and the FF logo emblem on the lock, and it is a magnetic closure that is pretty strong. A few reasons why I'm so obsessed with this bag. First being the shape. I have been looking for a flap style bag, and this one was perfect because it wasn't too big or too small, and it's easy to carry and pretty casual. I also like the idea that it was really light. With nothing inside, this bag weighs in at about 15 ounces, which is a little under a pound, and it makes it a pleasure to carry. So while you're out, you don't feel weighed down, your shoulders and back aren't hurting, and the soft leather is what contributes to the feather weight of the bag. I also love that you have options when you wear the bag. So first being the shoulder straps. You can wear it as a shoulder bag, you can wear it as a top handle bag, and you can also remove both straps and wear it as a clutch, which makes it the complete package and a versatile bag. And because the leather is so soft and the bag is so light, this isn't a super structured bag, which I didn't think I would like, but I actually do. I feel like because it doesn't have a whole lot of structure, you can fit more inside because the bag isn't super rigid. So I can fit heavier things like my phone, a charger pack, and all of my essentials, and they fit right inside with no issue. It doesn't lose its shape just because it's not structured. It still keeps its shape, but it allows you to fit more inside. The style of bag makes it a versatile bag as far as what you can wear it with. I tend to wear it on an everyday basis, but with the straps removed, you can also dress it up and wear it as a clutch with certain evening wear. Of course, it would be an evening gown or anything like that. Depending on where you're going, you can use it as a clutch, which is a definite added bonus for me because I have a ton of different ways I can wear it. And another thing I love is the magnetic closure. So you see how hard that was for me to open? The magnet is really strong, so I don't have to worry if I'm out in the streets, somebody walking beside me when it's on my shoulder, then bumping up against me and being able to just snatch the bag open. I'd feel that because there is some pull when you're trying to open it up. So that magnetic closure is not going anywhere. Your stuff's gonna stay inside. So although I really love the bag, there are a few minor cons about it that aren't deal breakers for me, but I thought I'd mention them. So the first being the strap. Shoulder strap comes in the drop at about 41 inches, which is really not that long, especially if you're someone like me who is 5'7". So I'm going to put a picture of me trying it on crossbody, and I really don't wear it crossbody because it comes up a little short. I mean, depending on your style, it can be cute, but for me, I don't know. I'm not going to say I wouldn't wear it crossbody. It's a little longer than the Chanel medium and where that drops on me, but it's still kind of short. The other thing that is sort of a turn off, and I'm trying to remove the strap so you can clearly see what I'm talking about. I'm going to come a little bit closer. There are some openings, and I don't know if you can clearly see that, but on each side of the bag there is 2 openings where nothing's fallen out so far, but I fear that smaller items could potentially come out of the bag. So with my lipsticks and eyeliners and things like that, I tend to put it in the inside zipper pocket just so that I won't have that issue of things just slipping out when I'm not noticing it. The other con I have about the bag, and you might not even notice it, and you probably won't notice it until I put some stuff inside, but when I carry it with the top handle, it tends to fold in on itself. So you see this? When I have my stuff inside, like my phone and stuff, the weight from the top handle and the bag pulling down like this kind of makes the bag fold in on itself, and I don't really like that. I kind of wanted to keep as much structure as possible because it's already a soft bag as it is. So that I don't really like. But again, not a deal breaker for me. So as far as wear and tear goes, I've only been carrying this bag for a few short months, but so far so good. I don't have any scratches, which kind of surprised me because with the leather being so soft, I definitely thought I would get a few scratches, but I do not see any visible scratches. It's holding its structure. I don't have any main issues with threading or anything like that. The only thing that I have noticed is a slight bit of tarnishing on the hardware, but that's where the clasp and the hooks meet. That's inevitable because it's rubbing against each other. Hardware is rubbing against each other. I have been wearing it non-stop, but if you do want a more in-depth review after I've been carrying it for some time, maybe a couple of more months from now, let me know in the comments if you would want a more detailed review on this bag at a later date. So this wraps up today's video. I've linked to my exact Fendi bag on the Fendi website along with some pre-loved options in the description box below. And don't forget to check out Anna Louise's website. I promise you won't regret your purchase. And if you decide to buy something, come back and let me know what you chose. I've linked to their summer sale in the description box also. And if you wish to connect with me further, you can head over to my Instagram at @tstyled_we with Simi Style. This bag, my jewelry items, and a whole lot more. Thanks for watching.